In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Spanish to English with ChatGPT. In this video, you'll learn how to translate Spanish text into natural, fluent English using ChatGPT. This method is fast, simple, and works whether you're translating a single sentence, a paragraph, or a longer document. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT is that it doesn't just translate word for word. It can preserve the original meaning, tone, and context, making the final result sound much more natural and easier to understand. To get started, open ChatGPT and go to the main chat screen. Once you're there, click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll enter your translation request. If you've already prepared your prompt, simply paste it into the text field. A good prompt is to ask ChatGPT to translate the Spanish text into natural, fluent English while preserving the original meaning, tone, and context. Providing clear instructions helps produce a more accurate and polished translation. After entering your prompt, paste the Spanish text directly underneath it. This can be a paragraph, an article, a business document, or any other type of Spanish content you need translated. Before sending your request, take a moment to review everything and make sure the instructions and text have been entered correctly. A quick review helps prevent mistakes and ensures ChatGPT understands exactly what you want. Once you're ready, submit your request. ChatGPT will begin processing your prompt and generate an English translation within moments. As the response appears, read through it carefully to confirm that the translation flows naturally and accurately reflects the meaning of the original Spanish text. Instead of simply replacing words one by one, ChatGPT creates a version that reads smoothly in English while maintaining the intended message. If you need the translation for a specific purpose, you can easily refine it with a follow-up prompt. For example, if the document is intended for a business environment, ask ChatGPT to rewrite the translation so it sounds more professional and suitable for a corporate audience. Once you submit the follow-up request, ChatGPT will generate a revised version using more formal vocabulary, polished sentence structure, and a tone that better fits professional communication. Take a few moments to review the updated translation and make sure it matches your expectations. If necessary, you can continue refining the wording until it perfectly suits your audience and purpose. This flexible approach allows you to customize translations for school assignments, casual reading, professional documents, or many other situations with just a few simple prompts. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,